Hello there, this is Stickman Sonics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do maintenance and battery changing on your Sonic Lance. That's probably the easiest of my Sonic devices to do. First, just pop this back end off. Whoops, went flying there, but it pops off pretty easily. And then you'll need a small pair of pliers or something to grab this little edge right there, and then just slide that out. Boom, there's your battery component. You got the little button right there. That's what this switch here activates. But yeah, pull that out and then just unscrew those two screws to be able to pop that top panel off, and then replace those three batteries. I'm talking fast because my camera battery's low, but yeah, then replace those batteries, screw that back on, and then just slide that in there. Make sure that the side with the little button is on the same side as the switch there, and so we'll just line it up. Push it in there until it clicks in place. Then take the cap and push it back in there. There we go. Works. If this cap should get loose, a little bit of maintenance you can do. If it's too loose, you just put a teensy, it's like an 1/8 inch wide strip of tape around the edge there. There's not much room for it, but you put a teensy bit of tape there just to add a little friction in there, and that should be fine. I wouldn't glue it in place because then you can't change anything. Yeah, these buttons don't have any function, but there you go. It lights up on the top, the back, and the end, which you can't really see with this lighting here. Well, let's see if I turn my light off. There we go. So, I'll be honest, I haven't watched that many Sixth Doctor episodes yet, so I don't know of any of his catchphrases, but allons-y.